Hey guys, welcome back. Last time we were wheeling in the SLRC competition. Unfortunately, we broke the ring and pinion. The whole pinion comes right out, it goes up and down about an inch. It's pretty bad.
Watch his phone.
Do that again, forward and reverse. Oh, pinion broke. Oh, okay. So today we're gonna take it apart and see what we got. Oh, there it is. Pinion guard / skid plate full of dirt. Nice. Let's see if I sucked enough oil out. Or if I'm making a huge mess. Not too bad. What do you think? Completely destroyed? Probably. Alright, let's see. Come on, baby. All right. Well, unfortunately that gasket's toast. I found the problem. Oh. Oh boy. Let me come show you. There it is. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. What is that? Wow. So we got, it's like all bearing. The teeth look fine. Oh boy. Our Gearworks 10-inch high pinion. We were out competing in the SLRC rock column competition. And on one of the gates, we were doing an uphill, kind of bouncing. And we lost our pinion bearings. Yeah, not good. We're here at Barrett Fabrication, where he specializes in Jeeps, differentials, and anything off-road. We got Ricky Barrett. He's the owner of Barrett Fabrication. He does a lot of ring and pinion installs on Jeeps. He's doing one right behind us on this TJ.
Oh, that's impressive.
All the bearings are gone. They're in the bottom of the case. All round ball bearings. I thought they were going to be roller bearings.
Oh, they're not just flat taper bearings?
No.
Just the balls?
I think that's also why they let go.
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. That sounds like a win. There's the pinion bearing. Chewed in all of its glory. How's it look inside there?
It actually doesn't look too bad.
Oh no?